In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 Trailing Stop. A trailing stop in Metatrader 5 automatically adjusts your stop loss as the price moves in your favor. It's designed to help lock in profits while still giving your trade room to breathe. Imagine you open a buy position and set a 20-point trailing stop. As the price rises, your stop loss follows it upward. If the market turns and drops by that 20-point distance from the highest price reached, the trade closes, protecting your gains or limiting your loss. To start, you need an active trade. Trailing stops only work on positions that are already open, not on pending orders. You might, for example, buy EUR-USD or sell XAU-USD. Once the position is running, you're ready to set the trailing feature. Next, open the Trade tab in the Toolbox or Terminal at the bottom of MT5 and locate your open position. If you don't see the toolbox, you can reveal it from the View menu. The Trade tab shows your symbol, ticket, current profit or loss, and any existing stop loss or take profit. Now, set the trailing stop. Right-click the Open Trade line, choose Trailing Stop, and select a preset value such as 15, 20, or 50 points. If you prefer more precision, click Custom and enter your own number. After you activate it, a small T icon appears beside the position, confirming the trailing stop is on. A quick note on terminology. In MT5, a point is the smallest tick size. On most 5-digit Forex pairs, 10 points equal 1 pip. Also remember that trailing stops in MT5 are managed by your terminal, so keep the platform running and connected. If it's closed, the stop stays at its last updated level but won't trail further. Here's how it works in practice. Say you buy EUR-USD at 1.1000 with a 20-point trailing stop. Initially, there's no stop loss until price moves in your favor by 20 points. When price reaches 1.120, the stop loss automatically moves to 1.1000. If price then climbs to 1.140, the stop loss steps up to 1.120. If the market reverses and drops back to 1.120, the position closes, securing the profit captured by the trailing move. The stop only ratchets forward. It never widens against you. If you need to change or remove it, right-click the trade again, open Trailing Stop, pick a different value, or choose None to disable it. You'll see the T icon update or disappear accordingly. That's the full workflow. Practice on a demo to find a distance that suits your instrument's volatility, and use trailing stops to systematically protect your trades.